Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore credit utilization targets with Credit Karma, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the credit score section on your dashboard. Click on Credit Utilization to access your current utilization metrics. Review your credit utilization percentage displayed on the screen. Identify the accounts that contribute to your utilization rate. Take note of which accounts have high balances relative to their credit limits. To restore your utilization targets, aim to reduce balances on your credit cards. Consider making extra payments on high balance accounts. Alternatively, pay down your balances to below 30% of your credit limits. Utilize the budgeting tools provided by Credit Karma to track your spending. Setting up alerts for due dates can help you avoid missed payments. Check your progress regularly in the app to see updates on your utilization. If necessary, increase your credit limits by requesting a credit line increase. Be mindful of any potential impacts on your credit score when doing this. Finally, remain consistent in managing your spending and payment habits. This will help you maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.